In construction, planning and efficiency are the watchwords. Doing things faster, better, more efficient, and with quality is a challenge for every builder. Fortunately, one supplier knows how to help contractors achieve that: Ritz-Craft. Ritz-Craft specializes in modular construction for commercial and residential projects. A great example is 3030 South Water in Pittsburgh, an up-and-coming neighborhood with high-density development. So dense that one of the last empty parcels of land was sandwiched between existing buildings. With space this tight, storing and staging materials and bringing them on-site efficiently can be a logistical nightmare. Ritz-Craft solved the problem with parallel construction and off-site systems-built modular housing. The general contractor has laid out the construction site, prepared a structural steel foundation, and the concrete slab to separate ground-level parking from the residential units. The work is sized to Ritz-Craft's precise specifications to provide structural support for the modules. Being on a one-lane, no-outlet street requires a separate holding site for construction materials several blocks away. There, up to 16 modules are staged daily and parked in a specific order, so they can be shuttled to the construction site in the precise sequence required for installation. Teams strip away the plastic weatherproofing that protected the modules during transport, leaving just the top layer intact in case of rain. The rest of the shipping material goes into dumpsters here, keeping waste to a minimum at the building site. Finally, HVAC components are loaded onto the modules, eliminating the need to boom lift them one by one at the construction site. Then, the unit heads to the lift zone. At 3030 South Water, the lift zone is the street in front of the construction site. There, a crane with a 300-ton lift capacity is set up. The extra capacity is necessary to lift the heavy modules to a 5-story height. As a final step, a crew assembles a steel cage lifting rig with multiple cable points, which evenly spread the weight of the module for lifting. Then, the first module is lifted, guided into position, and lowered into place. And then the process is repeated. Day after day, the work continues using a modular process that promotes site safety and security. With no stacks of lumber lying around, vandalism and theft are less likely. On the 11th day, the final module is secured and the structure is complete. It took just 11 days of crane time to install the 56 units. On average, 5 units every 8-hour day. After Ritz-Craft completes the roof, subcontractors connect plumbing, electrical, fire safety, and HVAC service. Interior finish teams attack drywall and trim, and another team completes the exterior finish. All told, this unique process produces a finished building with 56 apartments in just 90 to 120 days after the installation of the first module, depending on complexity. Modular construction, parallel assembly, logistics expertise. Let Ritz-Craft bring quality and efficiency to your next building project.